Okay, guys. Pugsley back again from Pug Army. I got sound settings on. I skipped that. You guys can figure that one out. So I just made a sound thing, and if this was clicked, it would set sound to 1. Or if this was showing, it would set sound to 0. And so if sound was 0, it would set volume to 0. If sound was 1, it would set it to full. So hopefully that was a little thing. And we're gonna go. I did something wrong here. So we're gonna set when this was clicked. I'm sorry. I put no sound on. Sorry, it's got a little bug in it. So if this was on and I went back, it would show that for some reason. And then it would also do that. So that one, I'm gonna set it so it's like this. And I'm gonna create something where only the owner has access to it. So when this is forever, if if username equals your name, for instance, because no one else can use your name, I'm going to type in my name, Pugsley Plays. Then I'm going to set the record. Set player clicks to world record clicks. So therefore, if I press this, it would be like this. Oh, and then we're gonna stop that script, because, stop this script. So therefore, if I press that, it would go to 113. And if I were to go to XX Shia LaBeouf, XXX Shia LaBeouf, it would set it to 0. We're gonna do if else, sorry. Stop the script. Set player clicks to player clicks. So now if I do that now, it would go and only let me get the record straight and change the record. Want to do the owner name just because there I'm gonna test something. Oh, want to do help. Okay, so that's cool. If we go cloud data, hold on. World record clicks. Oh, okay, so it's just bugged out, sorry. I'm gonna reload the page real quickly. I got scared for a second. Up. Sorry, I think something's bugged out here. And got my little fish tank by me. Soothing sounds. We got 9 assets done. That's not even close to what we're doing. What we're doing is like 10 assets. No, I'm joking. Oh, I gotta plug in my thing. Whoops. Gavin, you want some Coke? Yeah, I do actually. Okay, you better. Well, 5 minutes of a recording. That's actually small. I got a lot done in 5 minutes. We're gonna go to set. I was hoping we could do that. It's not Coke. Oh, sorry, I was drinking something. We're gonna put a little Easter egg. What we're gonna do when I receive. So whoops. When key, you select your key. I'm gonna put in something secret. When key. I'm gonna change it after this video and then never show it again. We had a little bug where it was like 3 less than that. We just fixed that up. So, we're gonna put that little Easter egg I was talking about. When key space is pressed, we're gonna also put change player clicks by 1, so we can do that, or we could just spam the play sound chomp. So when we do this, it'll glitch out. It will do that, and then broadcast. Well, actually, we're gonna go to looks. I'm gonna bring this one, and get rid of that. Play sound chomp. If username equals we're gonna just do a secret thing, like if you want you to be like infinitely better than everyone, you can do that. But I'm gonna do somebody else's name. somebody comment in the first person who comments in the comments what their scratch username is, I will put this in, or the first person I see, I will put this in. And if you if you like this video, I'll put your username here. So when you play my cookie clicker tutorial V1, sorry, I'm gonna name that to V1.5. I just like to do that a lot, but it's not released yet. 1.0.0, like Minecraft, or if you just want, just put 1.0. So right now I'm gonna do PP, or first to comment in my video. We're just gonna tell you that.
Well, today all I did was hang out with the kids and supervise them. What do you actually do? I'm going to be doing a lot of paperwork.
You'll get access to this.
Do you go on the computer and stuff? Look at this. Oh, kids can go on the computers. Really? Electronics, just hang out.
Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to do that, and then.
Neither do I, but I have to babysit her to get money. Shopke's babysitting. Well, she's babysitting her.
We're gonna put like a button that sets the or that clears your cookies. We're gonna go like that.
Well, I have my upstairs.
Can Jay come over? We're gonna go clear your clicks permanently. I spelled that wrong, didn't I? Grandma! Can Jay come over? We're gonna go show shop. When I receive hide shop, we're gonna go hide show. Oh, and then when this is clicked, we're gonna go to hide. Sorry. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I did that wrong. Boom. So we're gonna do it like that, or if we're gonna go not sound. We're gonna do this, and this is gonna be the final thing we do. So when this sprite is clicked, set player clicks to 0, so that when that happens, it'll do that. And so if you guys have enjoyed this video or tutorials, these tutorials so far, please leave a like. That would very much be appreciated. Subscribe for more of these tutorials, and see you guys